Step back in time to an era where compassion met cutting-edge science. Discover the extraordinary story of Evher Nesibe Sultan, a Seljuk princess whose profound empathy transformed grief into a beacon of hope and healing that still shines brightly today. This is more than history. It's a testament to the enduring power of human kindness. The 13th century witnessed the flourishing of the Seljuk Sultanate of Rum, a period of remarkable intellectual and cultural advancement in Anatolia. This was an age where knowledge was revered and scientific inquiry, particularly in medicine, reached unprecedented heights. Cities like Kayseri became vibrant centers of learning and innovation. The Seljuks, known for their architectural prowess and patronage of the arts, also championed social welfare. Their commitment to public health led to the establishment of sophisticated hospitals known as Darüssifer, which were far ahead of their time. These institutions were not merely places for treatment, but also centers for medical education and research. Born into the esteemed Seljuk dynasty, Evher Nesibe Sultan was a princess of grace and deep sensitivity. Her life, however, was touched by a profound personal tragedy. She fell deeply in love with a cavalry officer, a love that was unfortunately deemed unsuitable by her brother, Sultan Kaikhosro III. In a heartbreaking turn of events, her beloved officer was sent away, ultimately meeting his demise. Overwhelmed by grief and despair, Evher Nesibe's health deteriorated rapidly. She contracted tuberculosis, a devastating illness of the time, and her life began to ebb away. As Evher Nesibe lay on her deathbed, her thoughts were not of herself but of others. With her last breaths, she made a poignant request to her brother, Sultan Kaikhosro I. She implored him to use her personal wealth to construct a hospital. This institution, she envisioned, would offer free treatment to all who suffered, regardless of their status. Her vision extended beyond mere treatment. She wished for a place where incurable diseases could be researched, pushing the boundaries of medical knowledge. This selfless act, born from personal sorrow, laid the foundation for one of the most significant medical institutions in history. It was a testament to her boundless compassion and foresight. Deeply moved by his sister's dying wish, Sultan Kaikhosro I vowed to honor her memory. He immediately set about fulfilling her request, recognizing the profound importance of such an endeavor. The construction of the hospital complex began in Kayseri in 1204, a monumental undertaking for its time. The Sultan's dedication ensured that the project was not just a building, but a living embodiment of Evher Nesibe's compassionate spirit. This act solidified his legacy as a ruler who prioritized the well-being of his people, inspired by his beloved sister's final noble desire. The complex, named in honor of Evher Nesibe, is a breathtaking example of Seljuk architectural genius. It comprises three main components: a hospital, Darüssifer, a medical school, madrasa, and a mosque. The hospital was completed between 1204 and 1206, a remarkably swift construction for such an intricate structure. The madrasa, dedicated primarily to medical studies, followed, completed in 1210. This integrated design showcased the Seljuk understanding that healing and education were inextricably linked. The complex stands as the earliest surviving Seljuk madrasa and hospital in Anatolia, a true historical treasure. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Evher Nesibe Darüssifer was its pioneering approach to mental health. It is believed to be among the first hospitals in the world to offer dedicated treatment for patients with mental disorders. This was a revolutionary concept in an era when mental illness was often misunderstood or stigmatized. Patients received holistic care, including music therapy, hydrotherapy, and herbal remedies, in a compassionate environment. This progressive approach highlights the advanced medical philosophy prevalent in the Seljuk period, emphasizing humane treatment for all ailments, physical or mental. Imagine stepping into the Evher Nesibe Darüssifer in the 13th century. Patients, regardless of their social standing, received free medical care. Physicians, pharmacists, and nurses worked tirelessly, applying their knowledge of herbal medicine, surgical techniques, and diagnostic methods. The madrasa buzzed with intellectual activity. Students learned anatomy, pharmacology, and clinical practice from renowned scholars. They studied ancient texts, conducted observations, and contributed to ongoing research, ensuring a continuous flow of new medical knowledge. The Evher Nesibe Madrasa was a beacon of medical education. Its curriculum was comprehensive, covering a wide range of subjects from pharmacology and surgery to internal medicine and ophthalmology. Students were trained not only in scientific knowledge, but also in ethical conduct and patient care. The integration of the hospital and the school provided invaluable practical experience. Students could observe treatments, assist physicians, and learn directly from patient interactions. This hands-on approach ensured that future generations of healers were well prepared and deeply empathetic. The complex's architecture is a harmonious blend of aesthetic beauty and practical functionality. Its robust stone construction, intricate carvings, and elegant courtyards reflect the Seljuk mastery of building. The design facilitated natural light and ventilation, crucial for patient comfort and hygiene. Separate wards for different ailments, a pharmacy for preparing medicines, and lecture halls for teaching were all meticulously planned. The mosque provided a spiritual sanctuary for both patients and staff, emphasizing the holistic approach to well-being that defined Seljuk medicine. Today, the Evher Nesibe Sultan stands as a testament to a remarkable past. It no longer functions as a hospital, but has been transformed into a public museum dedicated to medicine. Visitors can explore its ancient halls, learn about historical medical practices, and marvel at the ingenuity of Seljuk healing. Her legacy extends beyond the museum walls. The university hospital at Erciyes University in Kayseri proudly bears her name, continuing her spirit of healing and medical advancement into the modern era. Evher Nesibe remains an enduring symbol of compassion, knowledge, and selfless dedication to humanity. Kayseri, the vibrant city where this magnificent complex stands, is itself a treasure trove of history. From ancient Roman ruins to majestic Seljuk monuments, the city offers a captivating journey through centuries of civilization. The Evher Nesibe complex is a jewel in Kayseri's rich historical crown. Visiting Kayseri allows one to truly immerse themselves in the Seljuk heritage and appreciate the context in which such groundbreaking institutions flourished. It's an opportunity to connect with the past and understand the roots of modern medicine. The story of Evher Nesibe Sultan is more than a historical anecdote. It is a profound lesson in empathy, resilience, and the power of a single vision. Her legacy reminds us of the deep historical roots of compassionate healthcare and the continuous human quest for knowledge and healing. We invite you to delve deeper into this incredible narrative. Visit the Evher Nesibe Museum in Kayseri to walk through the very halls where pioneering medicine was practiced. Share her story with others, especially aspiring medical professionals, to inspire them with her timeless dedication to humanity. Let Evher Nesibe's spirit continue to illuminate our path towards a healthier, more compassionate future.